Basically, coming to class every day is important, and when you give those small pointers about the alignment, about question answer sessions during exams, what the examiners are looking for, those are very important pointers. So, only if you come to class regularly, half your work is done. And of course, theory and all, you have to go back and revise, read, because they ask from anywhere. Especially the Viva is from anywhere. The at least the question answers that are there, those exam importance में से ही आता है. लेकिन Viva is not necessarily from exam importance. So each one, I urge you to come to class and take the best opportunity of attending the mock vivas or the mock exams that sir conducts, or he gives you the leverage to take a class as a practice. I don't think anywhere else you would get this. Also, Jalniti, I have done offline twice, and the last time in level 2, when I learned it with Sir, it was my best experience online. It worked wonders. I could not do it so well when I was offline. Online was a better, matlab, excellent experience. So I don't know if you all experience the same as most of you all said, but
Okay.
yeah, it's
Yeah.
good.
How about level 3 part? Is it difficult for you? Easy? You want to share that because not many people think level 3 is very difficult. So many theories there actually.
Level 3 has about, say, 60% of level 2 and 40% of new learnings. So there is a lot of theory to learn, but it's not very difficult. There's a lot of general knowledge that you can apply to a lot of things, and there's a lot of theory that you need to know. So it's not to scare you or anything, but definitely it is not very difficult because everything is ready made. Nobody gives you so much of ready-made notes, mock exam, Viva questions. Everything is there on the Yoga Learning Hub. So once you follow that regularly and you do it systematically, level 3 is a cakewalk, is what I feel.